Good afternoon, good morning. We are IDmission. IDmission offers technology for digital and mobile onboarding for various financial services. We work with banks, insurance companies, pension companies around the world. We have a large presence in North America and in Latin America, in Africa, India, and now in Indonesia. We are going to show you today one particular aspect of this onboarding. The use case is as follows. There's a shopping cart. A customer is at a shopping cart and decides to buy a television. As part of this decision to buy a television, when they get to the payment piece, they are offered an ability to pay either using a card or by getting a loan on the spot. So what we're going to demonstrate to you is onboarding for a loan origination on the spot. Angie?
Thank you. All right, so as you can see, I'm in the shopping cart here. I'm going to pick an LG 65-inch TV, which hopefully will make my husband happy. And here I have the option to pay with a card or apply for the personal loan, as Ashim mentioned. So the first step in applying for the loan is the ability to use my LinkedIn credentials to be able to populate some of my personal data and my employment history to make it a little bit easier in terms of data entry. So what's happening now is we're reaching into LinkedIn and we're grabbing as much data as we can to pre-fill the application, and then we're also launching our HTML5 application that runs with the mobile loan details. So the very first step here is to capture the identity document information of the individual. I'm going to use my driver's license. So I pick the country and the state. And I'm going to capture the front and the back of my ID. Okay. And what we're going to be doing is processing the front and the back of the ID to extract data, as well as validate the image. Sorry, the lighting up here is a little bit tough. Okay. So we're looking at all of the information on the front of the ID. We're looking at the various security features. We're also looking at the back of the ID and taking the barcode data and extracting it, and we'll use that information to populate the form. So the next step is to take a selfie of the individual. We want to make sure that someone's not taking a picture of a picture. So what we're going to do is we're using liveness detection using a video stream. So it's going to ask me to blink and smile. Okay. And what we're going to do behind the scenes is do a biometric match between the face on the ID and the face image that was just captured. So as you can see now, all of my information was extracted from my driver's license. My marital status is not something that's there, so I have to enter that. There's my ID number, expiry date. The contact details here, my email address was pulled from my LinkedIn account, so the only thing I have to do is put in my mobile number. And then all of the address details were also captured from my driver's license. So the next step here is the employment history. You can see here all of my information was pulled in from LinkedIn, so again, I don't have to enter it. We'll ask for the salary details, and then we'll take an image of a salary slip. And again, we can build a template to extract the information from this slip. Okay. We can capture previous employment history. I'm going to skip past that for now. So then we have to ask the customer to authorize a credit check that we'll use for our loan decisioning processes. And here we know enough about the individual to be able to provide a proposed loan schedule. So the loan amount is $2,000 and repayment period is 12 months. We default to 12 months with an interest rate of 7.5% and a monthly payment of $174. So what I'd like to do is actually try to make that payment a little bit smaller. So I'm going to go to a 24-month duration, and you can see that that changes. The final step here is to look at the terms and conditions that I know we all read. accept them, and then provide an electronic signature. And my date of acceptance is automatically populated. Then I'm going to go ahead and submit the loan. So what's happening behind the scenes is we're looking at the credit report, we're looking at that salary information, we're validating that identity document and doing the biometric match with the face, and then we're able to give a decision. So here you can see that the loan has been approved, and we'll be sending them all of the details about their loan and their payment schedule in an email. And then they can go back to the cart and continue shopping.
So what we saw was onboarding, customer onboarding, mobile customer onboarding, completely digitally. It just happened to be for a loan origination process, but we do this routinely for account opening, for insurance, and so on. We are here in Hong Kong because IDmission is opening a new focus on Southeast Asia. We're off to Jakarta next and Kuala Lumpur. So the main reason we are here is that we are looking for channel partners in Malaysia and this region. Anyone wants to talk to us, please stop by our booth. Again, to reiterate, mobile digital account opening for all kinds of financial services done on demand, whether it is for individuals or for small businesses or entities. Stop by our booth and chat with us. Thanks.
Thank you.